It's been far too long since I last really used this guitar on the channel, this Gibson L50 from 1938 that's been converted into an ES150, essentially the Charlie Christian guitar. And when thinking about what guitar to use for this month's chord melody, this is a natural choice. The song On the Sunny Side of the Street is from 1930, this is from 1938, so fits the bill. Before I play my arrangement though, I want to draw your attention to one chord voicing that is new to me anyway, that I discovered and I really like. It's a C13. It's with the 7th in the bass, the 13 on the top, and you've got the root and the 3rd in the middle. So 7, flat 7, root, 3rd, 13. There it is for C, here it is for D7. Quite an open sound, quite an interesting one. New one to me, I'm quite enjoying. So it happens a couple times in this arrangement. And looking beyond that chord, this arrangement is heavily based on thirds and triads. If you'd like to get the PDF with the tab and notation of that arrangement, then you can do so either via my website or via Patreon on the supporter tier, which will give you access to my chord melody library. So all of the chord melodies I have previously uploaded, that's in the description. Check that out. If you've got any questions or comments, then you leave them below. Don't forget jazz guitar videos uploaded here every Monday. Until next time, you take care.